Shalom, and hello. Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this week we're learning the Zemer Atik, the pizza dance. Come along with us. The Zemer Atik is an Israeli dance that was choreographed with Yiddish moves. And so we start with part A, which has a rhythm like this. We step 5 times starting with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add a double clap. Step on our left foot and single clap. So the rhythm sounds like this. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, step, and clap. Good. Can you try adding into that rhythm? We're going to repeat it 4 times. Part A, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, step, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step, step, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, step, and clap. Good. Now, it's called the pizza dance because your left arm goes up like you're holding on to a pizza box, as your right hand can connect to your neighbors if you're traveling around in a circle. So we would walk with our outside foot or our right foot starting first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would let go of our hands with our neighbors, clap to the outside, and then step inside, clap. Good, let's try that slowly 4 times, either just by yourself marching your feet or in a circle with your neighbors. All right, and if you're in the circle, remember, left arm up, pizza box, right arm, lay the money. All right, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. How'd you do? All right. Shall we try part B now? So part A, remember, repeated 4 times, that pattern walking around the circle to the right or counterclockwise. Now part B is going to travel us into the circle or moving forward a little bit. Starting with our right foot, we step forward 1, hold 2, step in left, 3, hold 4, back up 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. Ready? Right foot goes into the circle. 1, hold 2, left hold 4, good. Back up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now our arms with this, we're going to take our arms up over our head, and when we step with our right foot into the middle of the circle, we're going to twist our body just a little bit, hands up in the air, and then if you want, you can add a snap on that hold on count 2. And then step 3, arms go to the left, hold or snap 4. And then we back it up and we let those arms come down 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try part B 4 times in a row. Ready, right foot goes. In, snap, in, back up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, back up. 6, 7, again, right and left, back up. 5, 6, 7, last time. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! You've learned both part A and part B. Now for the dance, you just keep repeating A, B, A, B, A, B, all the way to the end. Should we try it a couple times together? Let's do A, B, A, B. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Pizza box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, and clap. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the middle we go. Up, up, back up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up. 5, 6, 7. Again. Up, up, back up. 5, 6. Last time. Up. And then back to part A we travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the middle. Up, up, back up. Up, up, back up. 3, back up. Last time. 4, and back up. And then you'd start again. Great job, everyone. Well done.
שובה אל ניגון עתיק והזמר יפה יערב עוד גביע משומר נשיק נשיק עלי זה עיניים ולבב טובו עלינו כי מחול לפתיע טובו עלינו עוד נשובה אל ניגון עתיק שובה אל ניגון עתיק והזמר יפה יערב עוד גביע משומר נשיק נשיק עלי זה עיניים ולבב טובו עלינו כי מחול לפתיע טובו עלינו עוד נשובה אל ניגון עתיק
Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye everyone. Shalom.